So I'm Mayank Varma. I represent a company called JBM from India, one of the largest automotive suppliers in India and the largest electric bus manufacturer in India. So we have substantial operations in Europe with 17 plants spread. And I would say Europe is an interesting and most exciting destinations for Indian companies to be in. Because of the technology it brings along, the quality perfection it brings along, and also it's in your entry into European market would definitely open your doors to a much broader perspective and global expansion. So any automotive supplier who is in a key commodity in India should definitely look forward to integrating their operation, expanding their operations into Europe, and which will definitely be the gateway to further expansions. EMO Hannover is one show which I think every Indian technical owner or entrepreneur looks forward to, because a lot of innovation is happening in India in technology, and EMO is one show which brings all the machine tool builders together, and any tool manufacturer or any sheet metal manufacturer or any other tier one would definitely find it useful to look for the tools which is key to his industry, which is key to his increasing his productivity and quality levels. And that's why EMO Hannover is such a good platform for the people to come here and explore how to expand their business by using German machine tools.